Here I have DOOGEE N30, and today I'm going to show you how to disable SIM lock on this device. So basically just how to disable the PIN code on the SIM card on this device. So firstly you have to go to the settings, then you have to go to the security section, then go to the advanced SIM card lock, and then just tap on the switcher next to the SIM card, lock SIM card. Then you have to enter your PIN, tap OK, and after that lock PIN will be removed from your SIM card. I will show you that when I insert SIM card one more time, it doesn't require any PIN at all. So let's do it. Impossible task. And as you can see, it requires no PIN code from me because I disabled the PIN code, obviously. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.